Hey traders, I want to give you an update on natural gas, gold, and crude oil as usual. So before I start my analysis, guys, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to hit a like and subscribe button to me. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, please hit a like button for me as it helps me in the YouTube algorithm. If you're getting value out of my analysis, if you're learning out of my analysis, please hit that red button for me. So let's start our analysis for today, but let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that you understand how we take entries and how to enter market once we have a very good entry reason. One below, we were expecting market to push up and hit this yellow zone, which has been hit today. And once we have a close this candle on 1 hour time frame, we can look for sell trades 180R above and 180R below. You can add 5 with ATR as well, or you can manage your position by moving a stop loss to break even and move 180R further down. Okay, exactly. So we entered here yesterday on this red engulfing candle. I've said that if this candle closes below this green candle, we have a good entry reason, and the target would have been 180R and below and 180R above. As you can see, the target market has hit 380R, more than 380R. And if you would have managed your position like I do, move your stop loss to break even and let your trade run until we hit a next level of support. And if you are still in the trade, that's a good level to exit your trade. So that was a good entry reason on 1 hour time frame. If you look at 4 hour time frame, and if you have been following me from last couple of months, you know I take a trade basis on this 382 candle, nice 382 or hammer candle, inverted hammer candle, and I enter my trades few pips below. If the market would have hit my entry, my trade executes from that point on. And you can see we have a nice push down from on 4 hour time frame as well. So that's a reason I always say wait for a good entry reason. Do not enter nowhere in the market. If the market is moving really high in uptrend, do not say that the market is really high. That's a mistake we traders do. We see the market is now in an uptrend, and we see the market is now overbought, and we start selling the market, start selling the price. So as you have seen my last few videos, we've been only taking buying trades. As you can see, market has been overbought. We've been taking buying trades on and until we reach this level. And I was not taking sell trades because we do not have a reason to enter sell trades until we reach this level. So now what to expect from gas? As you can see, the market push down, breaks below the level of support, which will now act as a level of resistance, and now reaching the next major level of support. So now we're on 4 hour time frame. We have a 50 EMA and we have a level of support here. The support is 6.989, goes down to 6.413. So we can expect a bounce from this zone. Look for a good bear bullish entry reason like an engulfing candle. You can look for a pin bars from this zone, take long trades. So now we have a counter trade zone and a trend continuation zone, which is right above here, which is 7.298, goes down to 7.549. So we can expect a push down to this zone. If you look on 1 hour time frame, you can take your entries here as well. If you have a push down, get an engulfing candle here, you can take 180R above and 180R below. So look for buying trades once we hit this zone, and if it breaks below 50 EMA without getting any entry reason, then we can expect the market to push down to the next level as well. So we are now approaching our buying zone. Just enter with a good entry reason. I will send that to my priority group as well once we get a very good reason to enter. So on Ovanda, you can see the market is now in between our level of support. We can expect a push up once we have a hit of this zone. If we get a good entry reason, a good candle engulfing or a pin bar, we can take long trades 180 or above and one below, and you can always manage your position by moving your stop loss to break even. On 1 hour time frame, we can still get a red candle and get good bullish candle to take long trades from. If we break below 50 EMA, then we can expect a push down. If we break below without getting any sort of entry reason, then we can expect a push down to next zone, which is 6.593, goes down to 6.389. So keep an eye on both zones. Mark these zones on your charts as well. And if you want to receive these zones, forex zones, every single week, you can always join one of my partner broker with $500 minimum or $500 deposit. Once you do that, I will start sending you these type of zones and also priority trade signals of forex and commodities, both 1 to 5 times a week. So let's quickly check gold. So gold here, if you remember my yesterday's video, we had a nice candle here, and I've said that I expect the market to hit at least 20 EMA. Let me quickly show you what I've said in my previous video. You can see we have a good engulfing candle, nice entry reason. Yes, it can still move down from Here I can still see the goal to hit at least 1976. If we break below that, it can still move further down to 1962. So exactly we hit our target, hitting our level of major support. So what to expect next? On 1 hour time frame, we can get a push down and get a nice bullish candle like this, or we can get a red and engulfing candle. Once we get that, we will enter buy trades from here using our ATR as a target. On 4 hour time frame, if we have this red candle and then next candle is green candle, then we will still look for long trades from these zones. So we are now in a buying zone. Only enter once we have a good entry reason to enter. So crude oil. So if you remember, I've said that we have this selling zone, and as you can see, we have a nice doji followed by a nice red candle and indecision with the doji confirmation with this engulfing candle, and that pushed the market dramatically down. Now we are below the EMA. We can still expect some push down. So now wait for next few candles. Let this candle close, and if we have a next red candle close below, the second red candle close below as well, then we can expect a good push down from oil as well. So it's now in a bearish zone. Only wait for the next red candle after this candle on 4 hour time frame. If you have next red candle as well, then it's a good confirmation the market is going to push down. If you have a break above 50 EMA again, close above 50 EMA again, then it's a bullish sign. So that's all for now, guys. If you are confused, any questions, you can buzz me on Instagram, ask me any questions. If you have, I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Take care.